I've coached high-performing founders who had all the strategy, yet still woke up exhausted by their own calendars. The problem wasn't their ambition, it was misaligned energy. When you start organizing your work through a seasonal rhythm instead of constant push, everything changes. Your focus sharpens, your energy stabilizes, and your creativity expands. This week, I'm sharing the 4-season framework I use to stop resenting your calendar and start building a business that actually energizes you. Hi, welcome to the podcast. I'm Sheila Botello, and I believe true success is built from the inside out. This minisode is designed to help you live into what lights you up this week. So, I've been talking about this. I am surrounded by boxes right now. I move in 1 week. And as I look around, I keep thinking about how energy works a lot like packing does. You know that feeling when you open a closet and realize half the things in there don't even belong to this version of you anymore? That's a lot of what happens in business too. You start a season really excited, but somewhere along the way, your energy gets buried under things you once said yes to. Projects, commitments, expectations, things that no longer fit you. And this past month, every box I've packed has forced me to decide, does this still serve me in the next season? And that is exactly how I approach my calendar, which has made this process easier because I've been practiced. It's kind of like an energy drain. I don't assume that it's anything that's wrong with me, though. I see it as a sign. I see it as something that's shifted. And it's not about doing more. It's not about doing less. It's about rearranging what I'm doing and the rhythm I'm doing it in. So here's how I map it out. I follow what I call the season's self-care cycle, which is a 4-phase rhythm that mirrors nature's flow. Each phase has its own energy rituals, it has creative focus and rest practices built in too. And sometimes it means doubling down on creation and leadership. So sometimes it means I'm pausing to recalibrate and rebuild from the inside out. And either way, I am in motion, but I'm in a motion that feels sustainable. Because when I ignore that rhythm, I overpack my schedule the same way we overpack boxes, just in case. And then we wonder why we're exhausted carrying it all. But when I honor it, when I give each phase its space, I notice I get more done with less push. My ideas land better, my team moves smoother, my energy doesn't crash halfway through the week. It all works out. So if you've been feeling drained, resenting your calendar, or perhaps caught between hustling and doing nothing, maybe it's not a motivation problem. Maybe it's just seasonal misalignment. Because your next level of expansion is not about finding more time. There isn't more time. It's about finding the rhythm that fuels your energy instead of draining it. And if you want to see what this looks like mapped out, I've created a simple framework called the Vision Map. It's the exact process that I use to align my goals, my energy, and my calendar each quarter. You can grab it in the show notes and use it to create a week that feels lighter, clearer, and more you. Until next time, remember, seasons call for pivots, not plateaus. I'll see you on the next episode.